Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a 2017 GMC Sierra 3500 heavy duty SLT. Look, I can't tell you how hard these are to come by. I mean, this thing only has 101,000 miles. This thing has a long life left with this 6.6 Duramax Turbodiesel engine. Has a 6-speed Allison 1000 transmission. I mean, this thing will last forever as long as you take care of it. And you can't really find new 3500s. They're hard to get. This comes in a cardinal red, which is gorgeous. Come inside here and you have a Bose stereo system, memory seats, power locks and windows and mirrors. You have tow mirrors with integrated signals. Come inside here. You have built-in navigation. You have phone projection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as long as it is through USB. Come down here and you have your climate controls. Here's your radio, dual climates. You have heated seats. You have your parking sensors, your exhaust brake, your cruise control settings, Bluetooth. Look at that, 813,000 miles. And this thing is well taken care of. It was bought originally here from Country Chevrolet and brought here for all its servicing. Of course, you have automatic lights, four-wheel drive, your integrated brake controller. I mean, this thing is in great condition. No rips in the seats or anything. Comes with all-weather floor mats. It is well taken care of. I mean, the paint is still just a bright red. It does have a ball included for gooseneck fifth wheels prep. Look, when I say this thing will not be here, it will not be here. I have several people already interested in it, but it's just now hitting the lot, so I'm gonna have to call them once I get done doing this. But say it will not be here, I promise you. So you're gonna have to act fast. So my number's down in the description. So is our website and the social media links. Call, text me, let's talk numbers and make a deal. Let's take this thing home. If you're not looking for this, I have a lot full of new and used vehicles, and I have a truck here unloading some more. So go to our website, go to our social media links, stick around to the end of the video, get all that information. Stay up with our current inventory. It is always changing. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.